Tracking your DoorDash order is straightforward with multiple methods available. The primary and most effective way is through the official DoorDash mobile app. The DoorDash app provides real-time GPS tracking with live map views showing your driver's exact location. You'll need either your order number or to be logged into your account to access tracking. Your order progresses through 5 distinct stages. Each stage provides clear updates about where your food is in the delivery process. If you don't have the app installed, you can track via SMS by texting your order number to DoorDash's tracking number. However, this provides limited updates compared to the full app experience. For the best tracking experience, ensure your phone number is up to date in your account settings. This is essential for receiving notifications and accessing your order information across all tracking methods. When your DoorDash tracking isn't working perfectly, there are several quick fixes and optimization steps that can dramatically improve your experience. First, ensure location services are enabled on your device. This allows DoorDash to provide accurate, real-time tracking and connect you with nearby drivers. Enable push notifications to receive instant updates about your order status, including when your food is being prepared, picked up, and delivered. If tracking isn't updating properly, try refreshing the app or checking your internet connection. Using the official DoorDash app provides the most reliable tracking experience. If the driver's location seems incorrect or delivery is delayed, verify your delivery address in your account settings. Incorrect addresses are a common cause of tracking problems. If you can't find your order number, check your email confirmations or look in your account history within the app. Every order generates a confirmation that contains your tracking number. DoorDash uses AI-powered delivery optimization to reduce delivery times and provides proactive communication about any delays. The enhanced tracking system updates every 30 to 60 seconds during delivery. For the optimal tracking experience, use the official DoorDash app. Keep your account information updated, enable location services and notifications, and maintain a stable internet connection. These simple steps ensure accurate, real-time tracking of your orders.